Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will list down the numbers from 1 to 15 using ordinal numbers using Java programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of this tutorial video for free in my two websites. Okay, so basically I'm using Eclipse IDE in Zorin OS in Linux distribution. So we have here public class ordinal numbers, and then I have here a method. We will call this method ordinal num, and then we have a passing parameter of given value. So we have several variables here: 100 rem, given value modulus 100, if there is a remainder, tens, given number modulus 10, if 100 rem minus 10 equals 10, we will have 10 here. Switch 10 1 to 3 up to 3. For the first is st, ordinal value, 2 for nd, third for rd, and default by th, or 10th. And then here we close our method ordinal number, and then public static void main. In every Java's program it is the starting and ending point of execution. And then we have here a title, ordinal numbers in Java. So we have here a new line here, \n to, and then we have the title here, and then we have to \n also, system out point print. And then using a for loop statement, we enumerate the series of numbers from 1 to 15. So we declare a variable string st ordinal numbers dot ordinal underscore num. Where do we get the ordinal underscore num? This is the name of our method here, a, so it will display the value result here. And then you close the for loop statement, new line, and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended, new line here. And then we close the public static void main class, and then our main class, that is ordinal numbers. Okay, so let us run the program. Okay, so we have here ordinal numbers 1 to 3 up to 10, 11 to 15, and a program. So if we want to change now, instead of 15, let's say we have 35. Let us save, and then when we run, it displays the series of numbers from 1 up to 35, 35, 34, 33, and a program. Okay, so if we want to make it shorter, we can change this one to, let's say for example, from 1 to 8. Let us Control S, save. When we run, okay, so ordinal numbers, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on ordinal numbers in Java programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.